Hello my friends, it is FPS Russia again, and today I have the video that I promised you. I have 10 pounds of tannerite down there at about 100 meters, and I'm going to shoot it with my AK. And I wanted to say a few things first. First of all, thank you very much for rating my last video the way you did. I really appreciate this. I had the #1 rated video on all of YouTube for the last 2 days. 2, this tannerite is perfectly legal. It is an explosive target. You can order it anywhere on the internet. In fact, there is a link in the description of this video if you'd like some yourselves. And 3, if you do order it, please be careful with it. It is very explosive. It is very dangerous. It will not start fire, so the dry grass will not start on fire. In fact, it is so powerful that it can actually put fires out. So that being said, let's see what we can do. Make sure you can see it okay. Okay. Now that is what the fuck we were talking about. That was fucking awesome. Okay, now I am going to flee the scene before the authorities arrive because that was a big fucking explosion. I hope you enjoyed the video, my friends. Please rate the video because you love me and because you love shit like this. And as always, have a nice day.